What is this? A cave?
Oh my goodness!
Look at the fish.
And if you look at the color of the stone, it's the same emerald color. You see the color of the stone? It's the same emerald color. It's not a secret to the color of the wood. And the sunshine comes from the wood.
They are kind of. Here, give me some to take this.
Right here, here.
Take it, throw it. Give me this.
Don't use it. Oh, there they go. I don't want it. Oh, they're fighting.
Oh boy.
Catacombs water is dripping on it.
Lots
Hey,
of
Mama.
fishies.
Helen, I want to go to the front.
All right. Now what are we gonna do?
Huh.
How far back does this water go? How far back does it go?
So, on that side, so the lake is 10 meters. And this cave, 7 miles. It's gonna go down under.
What time are we going back?